Okay guys, so what you see here is a hydroponic system that is going to be installed. So these are all the parts here for it, and right now the frame is being built. It's going to be built on top here to put it. So you can see the guys are working hard to build the frame. Okay guys, so here I have my hydroponic system all set up. This is the reservoir here with the pump. This is the setup here. So yesterday we put down the seedlings. Now unfortunately this morning when I got up, I saw 6 of the plants had wilted over, and it's only about a couple hours ago we realized why they were wilted. It was because the roots were not making contact with the water. So we rectified the situation. However, I don't know if the plants are going to catch itself, given that they were without water for a number of hours. So we would see if they will catch themselves. I doubt it. Like this one looks really bad. So I don't think that will happen. So that's something that you have to make a conscious effort of. Like you have to make sure that your roots, that they are making contact with the water. Unfortunately, there was, I think, how many of them? I think it was 6 of them. Either 5 or 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 6 of them. They did not make proper contact with the water, and so I think I might lose them. I don't know if these will catch itself, but this one definitely looks like he's not going to make it. But anyway, so I will keep you guys posted as the plants continue to grow and get big. Okay guys, so the water level of my system has dropped. By the way, the water that is used in this is rainwater. So I have some tanks that I collect rainwater, and that's what you use for this. But the water level has dropped, and so I am going to be adding some more rainwater to bring it back up to the level that it was at initially. Currently I have some broccoli and cabbage growing. So initially when I first had the system put in operation with some seedlings, the what is called the EC, which stands for electrical conductivity, and the pH was off, so I actually lost all those seedlings. So I had to get some new seedlings, and the meter that I have now is correct. So the EC is now correct and the pH is correct. And so as you can see, the seedlings are coming along nicely and growing big. Okay. So how the system works is that we have the reservoir here. So this has the water and it has a pump, and it is circulating the water through the system with the nutrients inside. Okay, so if you look here, you will see that there's water running through the system there. Can you see that? And so that has the nutrients in it and that's how it feeds the plants. So you would see some of them have died, and that was from the old or the initial set of seedlings that I had put down. That as I said, they I lost them, they died. Um, but I still kept them in the system because I said, hey, let's see if it will catch itself. But as you can see, it did not catch itself. So I will just keep you posted as the plants continue to grow. So actually what you have to do, like every 2 days, I have to actually test the pH of this water. So that's what I'm about to do now. I'm going to test the pH of my water because you want to make sure that the pH remains within the range for that particular crop. Otherwise, your seedlings will die. So yeah, I will keep you posted as the plants continue to grow. Okay guys, so this is the meter that we use to test. In this case, let's see, what do we have it on? It's on electrical conductivity now. I want it on pH, so let's change that to pH. There you go. So we're going to test the pH of the water now. The water is really dropping. Okay, so the pH level of the water is 6.63. So that's good. I'm going to test the electrical conductivity now. Okay, it's 2.38, so that's good as well. Okay guys, so if you want to add seedlings to your system, if you're buying your seedlings from the nursery, then you have to wash off the soil from the seedlings just to expose the root alone. And then as you can see here, you have to very carefully and gingerly feed the root through the bottom of your net cup so that the roots come out at the bottom, and then you will fill it with your clay pebbles. So these clay stones, they serve two purposes. One, it helps to keep your seedlings upright, as well as it helps to block out sunlight from your system. We don't want sunlight getting to the roots, either of your the system itself where the seedlings are, or even your reservoir, because what happens is that you can get algae starting to grow, and we don't want that in our system.